The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Eleanor Roosevelt's words carry a timeless truth. The key to shaping our future lies in the power of our dreams, and more importantly, in our belief in them. Dreams are not just fleeting thoughts or wishes. They are the seeds of greatness, the foundations of change, and the driving force behind progress. But having dreams alone is not enough. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is belief. Belief is the force that turns dreams into reality. Think about history's greatest visionaries, people like Thomas Edison, who believed in the possibility of electric light when the world was in darkness, or the Wright brothers, who believed humans could fly when everyone else thought it was impossible. Every major achievement, every great innovation, and every remarkable success story started as a dream. But those dreams would have remained just ideas if their creators had not believed in them. The road to success is never easy. Challenges, failures, and setbacks are inevitable. But when you truly believe in your dream, you develop resilience. You push through obstacles, learn from failures, and keep going even when the odds are stacked against you. Doubt and fear are the enemies of progress, but belief gives you the courage to keep moving forward. Your dreams define your potential. When you believe in them, you give yourself permission to grow, to take risks, and to create the life you envision. Many people let their dreams fade because they fear failure or rejection. But the ones who shape the future are those who hold on, stay committed, and take action. The future does not belong to those who wait. It belongs to those who dream boldly, believe deeply, and work tirelessly to make those dreams a reality. So, whatever your dream is, no matter how big or small, believe in it, nurture it, and take action. Because the future is yours to create.